Kinesthetic learners, also known as tactile learners, are individuals who learn best through physical activities and hands-on experiences. They prefer engaging in tasks that involve movement and touching materials, rather than just listening to lectures or watching demonstrations. Examples of learning activities that benefit kinesthetic learners include building models, conducting experiments, role-playing, and using physical objects to solve problems. For instance, a kinesthetic learner might understand geometric shapes better by handling three-dimensional models rather than looking at pictures in a textbook. In a history class, acting out historical events or visiting a museum can help them grasp the material more effectively. One strength of kinesthetic learners is their proficiency in hands-on skills. They excel in tasks that require manual dexterity and physical manipulation, such as sports, arts and crafts, and laboratory work. Another strength is their problem-solving ability. Kinesthetic learners tend to be strong problem solvers because they enjoy figuring things out through trial and error. Their preference for hands-on learning helps them understand how things work in a practical sense. Additionally, kinesthetic learners are highly engaged when they can move and interact with their learning environment, leading to better retention of information and a more enjoyable learning experience. However, kinesthetic learners also face some challenges. They may struggle in traditional classroom settings where learning is primarily auditory or visual. They can find it hard to sit still for long periods and may become easily distracted. Another challenge is note-taking. Because they learn best by doing, kinesthetic learners might not take detailed notes during lectures or find it hard to organize information in written form, which can affect their performance on written tests and assignments. Furthermore, their preference for hands-on activities can sometimes lead them to spend too much time on tasks they enjoy, neglecting other important areas of study that require different learning methods. Critics of the concept of learning styles, including kinesthetic learning, argue that the evidence supporting distinct learning styles is weak and inconsistent. Research has not conclusively shown that teaching according to a student's preferred learning style significantly improves learning outcomes. Critics also suggest that focusing too much on learning styles can lead to a fixed mindset, where students and teachers believe that certain subjects or skills are beyond reach because they don't fit the preferred learning style. This can limit a student's potential to develop a well-rounded set of skills and adapt to various learning situations. Moreover, critics emphasize the importance of using a variety of teaching methods to benefit all students, rather than categorizing them strictly into learning styles. They argue that effective teaching should incorporate diverse approaches to engage all senses and cognitive processes, ensuring that students develop flexibility in their learning strategies. So, what do you think? Are you a kinesthetic learner? Let me know in the comments. On the screen now, I've left some videos about other learning styles. Check them out now.